Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the correct ways to cancel your Etisalat Postpaid SIM card in 2026. Now, since postpaid connections involve billing and possible contract obligations, it is important for you to follow the proper steps. So first of all, you need to open your Etisalat UI application on your phone. Over here, tap on the login option on the top right hand corner of the screen. Then simply log in into your account either with the help of your mobile number or UAE pass or with the help of your username and password. So once you are inside, you just have to go to the account section where all of your active numbers are listed. After selecting the number, simply select the option of the postpaid number. So here when you are inside the line management section or in the settings section, you just have to look for the option of the cancel line or close account. So before proceeding, just carefully review the important details. For postpaid SIM cards, Etisalat may display the information about the outstanding bills, the active contract periods, device installation plans, the early termination charges. So make sure that everything is cleared. If there are any pending dues, cancellation may not complete. So once nothing is due from your end, simply confirm the cancellation request and complete the verification process if it is needed. You may ask to provide the OTP or the facial recognition. So you just have to do that and you are done. Now, if the application method isn't working for you, you can just simply visit the nearest Etisalat store. Just make sure that you carry your original Emirates ID with you. So you can request the postpaid SIM cancellation at the counter. The staff is going to then verify your identity, check any pending payments and process the cancellation instantly. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.